Solve the equation using the intersect feature on your calculator. Round to the nearest tenth. Now this is one of my favorite calculator skills. No matter how complicated an equation might be, you can use the graphing feature of the calculator to solve it. And this one isn't that bad, but you could use some really ugly equations and solve them pretty easily. Here's what you do. You split it up. So y1 equals 2x squared. And then y2 equals the square root of x plus 4. So what you do is you graph these two functions on the calculator at the same time, and where the functions cross each other, or where they intersect, that's going to be a solution or solutions to the equation that's written up here. It's basically saying where does the left side equal the right side. Okay, so let me bring in the calculator. So y equals, enter in the first function, 2x squared. And then enter. Now the second function is square root of x plus 4. Okay, now we're going to hit graph. Take a look. Now the 2x squared makes a parabola, and the square root of x plus 4 makes a square root graph, as you can see. And it looks like there are two intersections. So we're going to find the left intersection first, then the right intersection. Now here's how you find the intersection. You go second, and then calc or F4. Then you want to choose option 5, which is intersect. And it's saying the first curve. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the left arrow to get over towards the left side. So we're going to do the left intersection. So enter, and then it jumps to the second curve, enter again, and then guess, enter one more time. And there it tells me the x value for that intersection is x equals negative 0.935 and so on. And we round to the nearest tenth. So one of the answers is x equals negative 0.9. I could write 0.9 or 0.9, either way is fine. So now back to the calculator. I want to find the right intersection now, so I'm going to do second calc again. And then intersect is option 5. And this time I'm going to use the right arrow to get over by the right intersection. So the calculator will do that one. Okay, that's actually, it looks like it's about on it, but we'll do enter, enter, enter. And there's the intersection. It's 1.06, or 1.1 rounded. So I'm going to put in a comma, and then 1.1. Okay, so these are two solutions to the equation rounded to the nearest tenth. Now the downside of using a calculator is they aren't exact answers, but for most applications where you have complicated equations, a rounded answer will be accurate enough. So for our purposes, this is just fine.